Fellow Ambazonians, my name is Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces. This video na the Siam, na the picking them this, na the core group this. The person where they take the video na General Efang, the overall commander of the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Now this boy, the way they be catch them for buoy, with the other one the way they be gather them for form a core group in their mission for work and distribute weapons them. At the end they be need for also go pick up some weapon them. New weapon they will be done, acquire them, where they be catch them for buoy. This audio for my podcast today, I want to play una the confession of the buoy commander for the unit where they be carry the other group as they be divide the people them into two. The one where they be go kill them, bury some of them alive. I want to play on the confession of that particular commander where Church and I be hand over the half of the group. They be divide the group into two. One of the group will be 12 of them. Then give 12 of the soldier them. For this commander, he go kill them. He go with them. He go dig grave. He talk them dig their own grave. He name the soldier when I be open fire for kill them. And how it be bit difficult for them for execute 12 people them bury them for one hole. The other 12 them, the other 10, Sarko say they began for La Republic. And those weapons them also be unaccounted for. But first I go show now video for their gun them, where they be catch them, they seize their gun, them put them for ground, then take t-shirt for B, put them on top their back them, license B their back them. That time, Bo Herbert, where he talk today, say there is no proof say they be kill this soldier them. He become out talk say those soldiers they be in a B. Say 16 of them they be in a B. So today the Bo Herbert they ask and say who's are the ADF soldier in day? Yeah, we need to know the facts. This is very terrible and a very deep wound for most of the family them way. Most of them, some of their picking the way they be born up. 4 of these soldiers, the woman they be pregnant at this moment. We then later on give birth. Till now they still be unconsolable. So I will show now some of the video them before I play the audio for the confession of the commander. I describe how they kill 12 of the 13 ADF commander them where they be kidnapped for inside buoy.
And these are the clothes from these are the military bag, well designed, and it shows these are the military bags that you can see for yourself.
So una fit see very well. Now the back that way they don't carry na military clothes. Be a clothes when the SSF bring up, cover them on top that back, then talk say na military dress, na military bag where the ADF they use them. They try for deceive people them for fool them. Say this ADF soldier them believe say na La Republic they are B because they intend for kill them. But una fit see and say na lie. Now boy the way we know them very well. The bag where they talk say na B their back. No be any military bag. Na t-shirt where they don't put them for day. As all na fi see the lie and for justify the killing, the murder in cold blood of innocent heroes where they don't pick up gun for defend Ambazonia.
You can see for yourself. These are AKs 47 and these are MAT transit. These are G3 and other battery for the formality for their weapons that they want to come and use. These are some of the things. Yes, it do with their explosive. These are some of the batteries, as you can see. So those are those things. Some of the things are still in this bag that we don't want to remove.
So now if you hear the lies, they talk say that gun then get GPS inside. They never show any GPS. Now sleeping kit than that, now explosive than that. For proof so Uduaka supply those things then for the soldier them. I think Rambo now also come back and talk how we give them the explosive. When I see how they use them, we take out the first armored car there for Oko. So when I see the things that this will suffer, gather money for abroad, for the ADF, for Bayam. Now they prove then this, that the accountability this, they don't gather and also the lie on top for take them again, kill our boy them.
They will be crushed. This, what happened in Buoy, should send a message to the ADF and the AGOVC that this interim government would no longer sit down to negotiate with you out there.
So now Chris Arnold is the give instructions, say me then kill the ADF soldiers them, me then crush them, And the reason why Igiam na say they not fit go for go negotiate where ADF they outside they fight. So the whole issue be been about negotiation. And why they go want for stop ADF for fight if they want negotiate. The position for the governing council, even with the IG for Seseko, na the same. We no fit allow negotiation process where no go give our people the independence. So if they don't go get an understanding as we know with Paul Biya for get a negotiation for the Swiss deal where no go give we independence, but now wait for La Republic for get we inside a negotiation where no go ever end. Now why that way the ADF it deny their solution. Now for say the one for kill all ADF for wipe we out so that they go carry Ambazonia go sell them for this for Paul Biya through the Swiss deal. Even before this Swiss thing one come out, the plot for eliminate the ADF, it be already be in force. Not be because the ADF be do anything, now simply because they know say ADF it interrupt La Republique their plan. So agent for La Republique where they don't infiltrate the system, they be already designate the ADF for kill them, for destroy them, for bribe them, for make sure say me finish. Because now we they make sure say make our soldiers them be politically educated for stop election, for stop all Koni where Cameroon to maintain whole of our territory using the administrative officer them. So the CPDM people them and the SDF with the political scavenger them, they don't collude for join for make sure say me ADF exist so that they get a chance for survive and for continue for chop money, for chop politics where they do and with La Republique. Now either way ADF now their main enemy. Now either way they be the plan for finish ADF long time. So we're gonna hear this audio too.
Today, I don't think there will never exist any other separate group of Momo. I'm going to work with Wuna, and then we will work or make sure they move to the next people them.
So now the one day so Momo, it talks that they will work with soldier then for make sure say may they eliminate all ADF. It there for Momo, it there for Boyo, it there for Bui, it there for Fako, all not the same story. The same plot for eliminate the ADF, kill all their soldier them. Either the one way they no fit bribe them, then force them, or then kill them. The story go on and on and on. We done lost over 100 soldiers. With the one way they named them there for outside, close to 48 for the hands of these murderers.
I hold it for my conscience for tell the Ambazonian people today. Say, when I know when Chris Ano be resigned, this is the crook of the matter. When he be resigned, because of the problem with APNC, a situation happened. And if any man argue me, I go show you with proofs of videos, audios. When Chris Ano resigned, I tried to find out what happened. That one passed. Suddenly, I received a call from my sister, Madam Ngwa Irene. He asked Joshua Carr for line. And he tell me, say, we need to do something now because APNC go whole. Mr. Seseko, he don't need talk. He want control IG. He want controlling them. We don't finish. We don't finish. We go lost power. We need to do something now. I say, so wait till we go do. Say, you need to do something. Wait, I need to bring up some story. I need to bring up some story for frame me up. I said, which kind of story? Joshua Carr was on the line. He said, we get to create them now to make the media know, say, he hold meeting from prison. And so if he hold Zoom meetings on prison and he control the people outside, La Republique government, they know the authorized phones or communication outside, they go send him for solitary confinement. When they send him for solitary confinement, that will be all and they go walk without any rivalry. Joshua Carr was very excited for go do that. Make he go try to argue me. Make I prove him. I don't be quiet for a long time. I tell you, say, make he put Chris Ano on the line. He add Chris Ano. And I advise he say no.
This video, this particular short one, for sure now the modus operandi of this power monger for power's sake. This corrupt individual, the way they fight for position, they fight for go negotiate, they want go sell Ambazonia, they feel say this liberation movement an opportunity for them, where they be done fair for enter a NAM, EMIA, for them for can get some relevance for inside Ambazonia at the expense of our blood, the blood of our young men them and women them. May I take una back, make we no over digress for the issue of the day when the killing of the 23 ADF soldiers the way they be enter for Bui, plus the 9 where they become meet up them for escort them, and one more, our sniper Ginyam. May we go back for the video for our hero them where they don't kill them for inside Bui. We both but it don't open that wound again. Then after I go play the audio for the confession on how they kill them. You go find my pass una too for sure now for Pinyin. Now our first then this for Pinyin led by General Okoro. As una know, the ADF be passed today before the Duango for Bui. So for their memory, for the what happen for them for Bui, may gonna see a little bit of this video how it will start for Pinyin before Pinyin day wait way day today.
Also we dey for midday water and we no side for follow. And now we don't make our decision. We'll be there for Pinyin, so we no get no big man. We will fit talk say in our parties. But now we will get for make our decision. But now we don't make our decision say we are pa na general big number we na ADF. Because I know we be picking for power way, power no give me nothing. They fight this struggle now we stick them. No hand. See that general that big number we don't make only nana so they already give you one stick. So we don't decide say we'll deal with our general big number. We no work for power way, no we give you nothing. Well, lie soldier. No, boss. Oh, we don't agree say we dey under ADF though.
So now our soldier then this where they be go for inside Bui before the one go catch them. We both her but it can lie say na B and say no proof, no they say they be catch them or they be kill them. I go play the confession later, but me gonna see them before they catch them. So these are the ADF soldiers, 23 of them that were taken into custody by the Bui warriors. When I see them, the vast majority of them Bamenda boys, people them for the great state of Mezam. They will be arrested on false basis, lied upon, call all type of name, and Bo Herbert of all people will come out to say that this did not happen. Sako talk say they be give the remaining one for La Republique. They be kill 23 of them. I will play the audio now, make una listen the confession of the Bui warrior commander when I be take the 12 of them in custody for go kill them. He go narrate how the person when I be kill them. Now one person be pull trigger, the rest of them be buried alive. They be made for dig their own grave before they kill them. Now war crime, now crime against humanity. It go against everything we will stand for. The order it become from Sako, as he said, he don't talk for video. It become for Chris Anu. It be also come for Elvis Kinzenka, where na be chief of staff. Now a conspiracy where they be done she don't plan for kill these Ambazonian forces them. These are war crimes. These are crimes unforgivable crimes committed by Amba to Amba. So Meguna know very well the record, and those where they try to cover up, and those where they work out with these people, they made them know exactly who where them be, which way they work for their motivation, and the record where they get them for Ambazonia. Now Meguna listen for the audio tape for the confession on how the 12 of them be killed.
If we don't get woman, yes, we don't get woman. For who's I? For young. The woman there for village where young beginning, we gonna go down for your own. It is so the same only God. La for instance, some people in the whole key your own. Because nobody she don't begin to keep key soldier and when I saw them, then you don't go there for your own. Yes, and then you talk to your food for video, you know, if I can pass again for them. You will see that boy so. Me say you see me as that boy this way. You see saying that boy the way they be talk say they were born shaky house no. They were born shaky house no. They should be in the highest straight up. You know say I become me and shake she don't know for Bafusam. We discuss. You see say man they ever come on so you know we blame you. Yes, you know see man they ever come on so you know we blame you. You know say we this one with right to Sheikh Muhammadu. We Sheikh Muhammadu all come them. Any come she don't write book and jam for you. Write book give you, write book give you. Yes, you will give you book. Yeah, when you hear that thing, you strong, you just tired at time. I don't tell you say if you charge one die, so charge I don't buy camion. Can get for both for some boy for them. For some boy for them. I know. We have all bunch of charge a family. No, that boy no fit ever do disappear without camion. Yes, the woman being my woman is strong friend. The woman being my woman is strong friend. I even call my woman. The talk say yeah, master don't buy camion. Say the day now fine. Yes, I be no say I be no so mom. Say that boy dey so. Yes, the boy name na Hassan we church we buy camion can for you. Yes, you know. Yeah. And I saw it we talk to be explain them. Say people in the work American so the blindfold people they hide them. The work I saw they take money for people they kidnap for take money, buy thing them. Go buy thing and keep them from the Republic to Cameroon, make the work money. You know, say I check this or no, check the ever she also check a project in where people in there for Saudi Arabia. Then she don't contribute money there for you say me be schools, be Muslim. You know, say I check this one. Yeah, people they start to talk say check the run around. They say no be run around. People them for Saudi they ever give help, they contribute money there for you. For build schools and build hospitals and so. Yes, build schools them. Then I think them start the trunks so I think I go from start so. Yeah, so I think they start the trunks so say talk say I think they know the trunks so when they stop them. They tell you say no. Yeah, so now the design say me check the work now Baminda Bafu some Fumbot. Yeah, he work for Fumbot. Yeah, then he stop the one where we work for Kumbo. We got him in don't trunk. Yeah, there's people them are still in trunk, so the problem for village TD, but they told me they don't work on TD problem go come do soft. Then the money for the one for the problem for branch or TD. Okay. We check the talk say all thing about Anglophone problem for around the world, all people they know, all in condition in Saudi Arabia they know I'm fine. Yes, and you talk. Yeah, you talk say the thing we so because some people they can't spoil them, they spoil them. Yeah, you talk say all thing about Anglophone parents, all man know. All man knows that so we begin, so we come together, and so we come separate. So we separate. Yes, and because it is spoiled also because some people then they come so with their character, they can't enter with the spoiler. You know, say man. You know, say thing for that boy so no. That boy so if I take that thing, talk him for some place, they will contribute money to go kill that boy for Yaoundé. You see two where that boy do when she don't kill 9 boy them, 9 ADF fighter them when a soldier them for Amazonia, no National Republic. Yes, then you run now, go hide for Yaoundé, begin to work for your garage. The dog say no, ever can pass. If I take that thing enter with them for some place, they will just talk say even at 20 million, even at 9 million, they will more million can kill them. Yeah, you know, see that when they run through, they go for Yaoundé, so they go join Ikelebe them now. They go run join Ikelebe, the work now the sales struggle, the work show people and they come them there. As you see, I'm sure as it is well. We you know say na so na prisoner for the war no, or if you no get good law, they can shoot them. No time they did thing they was separate, they will catch you, put them for prison. If you don't get good law, they can shoot you and shoot them. Okay. No problem, no the problem. In Nasa, the fear of God. That's why the fear I got Mr. Eric. See, I've taken just a picture. I take a share for Yaoundé. They give 1 million for the person who go find you, shoot up. Because you shoot ADF so that they will kill without mind body. When we shoot and everyone goes strong for that. When I picking them, I think it vex me. When I picking them, when I show them for another when we fight. Yeah. So if you like, I would go call me and go take somebody. Somebody will call you, come back. Yes. Have you called me and go take somebody? Somebody will call and he must come back. He must come back. The thing don't vex me, shooting. Well, if you take somebody come. Go call him, come back. Then not true. If they take somebody to call him, must come back. If you take and begin the fear and that kind of way, you will normally know the fear so and so. Leave them. When time goes there, we say, if I put that thing for some kind of quarter, if I say I know of sleep again, I know how it work. The prayer way will come for me. They will do the toxin me. I go catch and kill them. Thank you. I want to make them calm down. Yes, as people are speaking for yelling, they come on now, they fight. Yes, they don't begin to come on for my head, they fight, eh? Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you. Yeah, when I was see deep point for IG, we don't call all. Yes, I will send picking them for Ngom. When this point for IG don't call, I will take picking them send them for Ngom. They go catch the back and keep up. Your kids catch that part of that boy, they don't cry for you, can't keep up. The parano ever can not know they take you, and you don't you know, you don't take you go to them. Then they will take you can't keep up. Yes, they will just talk for a pass. When picking the work, they will come on, he gave a sign the book there. Yes, see if the picking come back, then they will release me go back. And that's what we do. You know they ever kill people them. But that boy is a prisoner of the war. You know they ever kill no man. But that boy the days will be a prisoner of the war. You will catch you put on the prison forever. Yes, as you pass, you talk to the struggle, you take your own picking way, don't kill 9, 8 years old and 9 boys the way they are fighting. Go keep them for your own. You know, so as this thing start, they be kill from my brother. Yeah, you know, so it comes Mitaru. Yeah, now picking for my mommy's small sister. Yes, we just finished for crying died just after yesterday. We just finished to die after yesterday. Yeah, you know that the other one with some other two boy them when we kill them so from some other one. Some other one. Come on. Yes. You know the other way they will cry die for Bamzal. Yes, I don't begin me hard for the fight. I be tell them say me not them begin the fight because I don't get me hard for fight. Yes, I know come in for me enjoy the fight. Yes, now so you don't get your own heart for kill people them for fight. Then you come on now run now go you hide for your own. Yeah, now that kind of boy way even she don't for your own so thing and they had they give you money you go self struggle. Not true. As I tell you so, if he takes me now, so climb for my head, I go send him for some quarter minute, cut and kill him because I cannot put him. Don't I put him in his work for the leave. No, true. You know, say if she don't show, knock your chest. If she don't show, talk say they go burn shake the house. Yeah, they come on now go meet up shake a woman, talk say they will burn the house. Yeah, they tell you that the house they go burn up shake the house. As you call shake talk say you don't get problem, they burn up. Na true. You see, some people they ever talk say leave them. If you get bad luck, meantime you go sit where they do them for you. Na small. Then na small. Okay, thank you. We'll see you after small time. Yeah, we want to go for God in the catch some cuckoo. Go catch some cuckoo. Remove that see them. Come begin the dryer. Now so na dry is but as small time when sun one shine so place them go just start the dark rain go start the fall. If you come for you see how grass grow for you no say na dry season. So then you take small thing you put them for farm for the way now so thing will come over here no we talk small time. Thank you.
We identify the killer, the person we pull trigger and the one where they bury them. Una fit know for sure now say Sarkodie killed 88 known Ambazonian fighters on the ground. 88. So for any man where they associate with ye, any man where they associate with the association, may una know exactly where to una be into. Una follow a killer of Ambazonians, a war criminal.